Buy HP LaserJet MFP M479FDW Multifunction printer at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos. A multifunctional unit for demanding workplaces, the Color LaserJet Pro M479FDW multifunction printer from HP offers printing, scanning, copying, and faxing functions to fulfill your imaging needs. Dimension for this multifunction printer is about 23 x 20 x 20 inches, and it weighs 49.2 pounds. This model produces sharp text and prints in black or color at speeds as fast as 28 ppm while supporting media sizes up to 8.5 x 14 inch, and for handling media the printer comes equipped with 2 paper trays. Tray 1 has a 50 sheet capacity for smaller jobs, and for larger jobs Tray 2 has a 250 sheet capacity. In addition to the 2 input trays, the printer also has a 50 sheet ADF and a 150 sheet output bin. This printer offers scan speeds up to 26 ppm while copy speeds are as fast as 19 ppm. This printer offers wireless N800 2.11 BGN which lets you print cable-free. HP LaserJet MFP M479FDW printer features gigabit Ethernet connection and a USB port provide wired connectivity options. This printer offers mobile printing that helps to make everyday tasks go smoothly. It supports Apple AirPrint, Wi-Fi Direct Printing, Google Cloud Print, HP ePrint, HP Smart App. This printer is MOPRIA certified and ROM enabled. HP LaserJet MFP M479FDW prints up to 28 pages per minute in black and color with the first page out in as fast as 9.5 seconds. The recommended monthly volume is 750 to 4000 pages for this printer. This model generates sharp black texts and combined with 2 paper trays for media handling. The wireless operations for this printer features with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz operations, including the program's registration, plan, and HP ePrint account.